Guru Chanakya, also known as Kautilya or Vishnu Gupta, was a brilliant strategist, philosopher, and diplomat from ancient India, and his teachings continue to inspire generations. Today, we will delve into these 15 sutras of Chanakya, and I'll show you how they connect with the challenges we face in our modern society and what we can do to fix them. Sutra 1. The Mirror of Character. Chanakya believed that one's character is like a mirror, reflecting who they truly are. In today's world, social media and personal branding have become prevalent. Remember, it's not about projecting an image, but being true to yourself. Authenticity in character development is key. Sutra 2. Learn from the past. Kalavaram Dhruvam, as Chanakya put it. In our fast-paced lives, we often forget to reflect on our past actions. By learning from our past mistakes, we can avoid repeating them and grow as individuals. Sutra 3. The Power of Silence. Silence is a source of great strength. In the noise of our modern world, practicing mindful silence can help us stay centered, make better decisions, and maintain our inner peace. Sutra 4. Choose your friends wisely. Chanakya advised, a true friend is one who is honest and helps you grow. In an era of virtual connections, prioritize real, meaningful relationships and surround yourself with those who uplift you. Sutra 5. Courage and fearlessness. Never fear your enemies, be brave and self-confident, Chanakya urged. In today's world, having the courage to stand up for your principles is vital for character development. Sutra 6. The Power of Education. Education is the best friend. In the information age, continuous learning and self-improvement are essential to adapt to the ever-changing world. Sutra 7. Honesty and Integrity. Chanakya emphasized that honesty and integrity are the cornerstones of character. In a world where deceit and dishonesty are common, staying true to your values is more important than ever. Sutra 8. Control over desires. Chanakya's wisdom: before you start some work, always ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I doing it? What the results might be? Will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory answers to these questions, go ahead. In a consumer-driven world, controlling desires is key to happiness and success. Sutra 9. Self-discipline. Once you start working on something, don't be afraid of failure and don't abandon it. People who work sincerely are the happiest. In a world of distractions, self-discipline is the foundation of success. Sutra 10. Patience and perseverance. Chanakya taught us that a person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first and honest people are screwed first. In our world, where shortcuts often seem tempting, patience and perseverance are virtues that can lead to lasting success. Sutra 11. Adaptability. Even if a snake is not poisonous, it should pretend to be venomous, said Chanakya. Adapting to different situations and staying agile is essential in today's ever-changing world. Sutra 12. Treating ailments. Chanakya's wisdom on treating ailments is a metaphor for addressing issues in our society. We must identify the root cause of problems and treat them effectively, rather than just addressing the symptoms. Sutra 13. Service to others. Chanakya believed, treat your kid like a darling for the first 5 years. For the next 5 years, scold them. By the time they turn 16, treat them like a friend. This teaches us about the importance of nurturing and mentoring the next generation. Sutra 14. The Power of Forgiveness. In a world filled with grudges, Chanakya reminds us that the fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Forgiveness and kindness have the power to heal and transform. Sutra 15. Control of Anger. Chanakya's final sutra urges us to control our anger, for it can lead to self-destruction. In a world filled with stress and frustration, mastering our emotions is a critical aspect of character development. Incorporating these 15 sutras of Chanakya into our lives can help us not only improve our character, but also contribute to the betterment of our society. Let's embrace these ancient teachings, connect them to our modern world, and work together to create a world of wisdom, integrity, and purpose. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, the path to personal and societal transformation begins with you. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep making a positive impact on the world.